Hey, what up everybody? I am back again with another video, and today what I want to do is I want to talk about this brand new S Pen I recently ordered on eBay. Now I tried to get the official pen, so I did go on the Samsung website and they redirected me to a Amazon website. So what I did was I went to eBay and I looked up an OEM stylus. This is sold by Nice to Meet You 2015. So I paid about $6.99. Delivery took about a week. So hopefully this is legit and it does work. So here's the packet. Let me just rip this open. It's a pretty small package. It's bubble wrap. Okay, so we get the pen and this business card. Okay, immediately right off the bat, it does feel a little bit more lighter. The last S Pen did have some more weight to it. This does have the official Samsung logo. Okay, that's good. And the clickiness, okay, it's not as clicky. We do have this button here and we do have the tip. Alright, so I'm just gonna slide this in. Did you detect it? Okay, let's see. So usually when you eject the pen, the phone will notify you and this whole menu would pop up. Yes, okay. Alright, we're in business now. Okay, so let's just... No. Okay, let's see. Let's try writing something down. Okay. Hello. Alright, so let's see if I could just draw. Okay, so far it's really smooth. Now pressure sensitivity. Alright, there's something off about this tip. I don't think there's any pressure sensitivity on this pen. Frick. Okay, so light stroke, hard stroke, light stroke. Oh shit, there is no pressure sensitivity on this. You know what? I'm probably gonna end up selling this anyways. Yo, so I just got this great idea. So I'm just gonna compare the OEM S Pen with the official S Pen of the Galaxy Note tablet. So this is the official pen and this is the OEM. Alright, so are we in focus? Alright. So I'm gonna start off with a light stroke and then apply some pressure. Light stroke. And apply some pressure. Now I'm going to try this with the official pen. Light stroke. Apply some pressure. Okay, that's a big difference. Alright, I'm going to try and draw real quick. Okay, so now I'm using the OEM pen. Okay, so it's not bad, but if the pressure sensitivity is important to you, then you might not want to go with the OEM. But if this is fine for what you're doing, I'll definitely look ahead and try and get the official S Pen. So that's the comparison. The lines are not smooth at all. Well, at least I won't have this empty hole anymore. And I guess for photo editing, it might help as well. Let me try that. Alright, let me see if I can edit this. Okay, so let's see, you want to edit the exposure. Okay, so this still gets the job done a little bit. Okay, so then this could work, but for, you know, writing neatly and, you know, making notes and stuff, this wasn't gonna do it. So I guess for $6.99 it's not that bad. I know the one on Amazon was like about 25 bucks. It's a little bit too high. So that's it for this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to. Peace. Alright, so one more thing about this phone. The pen fits flush into this, so it was not as easy to take out as the original S Pen. So if you got some like soft fingers, you gotta like press it and then there you go. So that's another thing to consider when buying this OEM pen from eBay. If you guys know if there's like another way for me to get like a real genuine Galaxy Note 5 S Pen, please hit me up in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Peace.
If you smell what the rock is cooking.